I'm stuck in the rain. I took a ride. I'm going to get some wild edibles anyway. Check out how you find Japanese knotweed. I'm going to turn it around. All right, it's turned around. So I know this place. All right, and this is how you find it. Find its location and you wait for it to grow. Look at it. So it's not I like it a little bit thicker. So I might leave it, but that's how you find it. Yeah. Got some pretty lobias, blue lobias. I hit the turn around. There we go. Not bad for a rainy outing. Look at all these blue lobias. We have a weed police dog barking up the hill at me. Look at all these blue lobias. They're brightening up a rainy day. I mean, literally throughout the woods here. Well, I don't want to get my camera wet. As you can see, it's beautiful flowers are everywhere here. It's right on time. And that's the creek down there. I'll pop a few. Let's see. What do we have here? We have stinging nettle. And doesn't you Google any identification? It's right next to that. Knotweed, Japanese knotweed. Google any identification. Just say images for stinging nettle or images for knotweed or identification, and you'll have many variations to compare with. They're kind of stringy. I'm going to go down further. There's a decent one here. They're very wilted. Yeah. There's a big one here. Edible cleavers, stinging nettle. Edible cleavers, stinging nettle. Gotta go, it's getting wet out here. There's wild roses. Alright, Jim, I'm back.
They want to show them how to peel and eat that right here.
The knotweed?
Yeah.
Alright, since the camera's still on, let me turn it around. Alright, so I literally got back in.
So it's up for me then if I'm going to chop out of that. Arr!
Settle down there. So, let's see right here. Jim. So, you take the knotweed. I trimmed some of the leaves back so I wouldn't look as suspicious walking back up the hill. You simply, I'll take the smaller one. You simply, and you don't have to, but it's more enjoyable if you peel it. Let's just peel. See? Just peel it. Hey, you lose some, it doesn't matter because it's so abundant. So abundant. Hey, there's pretty flowers out there, Jim. You missed it.
Well, you know, I can't come out there and smell up like I'm made of wood.
Yeah, I know, Jim. So, peeling it. It don't matter if you make a mistake. There's plenty more. And this stuff is so... And that stopped at the knot. There's a knot. There's another knot. And there's another knot. Look at this. I just peeled that. It's hollow. Now I'm going to eat it. I know I'm not that beautiful. What's it taste like? Sour, tart, slightly sweet. But not overly sour. Unless you're not used to it, you might think so. But I would make a sour face 5 times more eating a pineapple. Look at that. That's enough looking at me. Well, I'm going to swallow it. 2 pieces. Look how big it is. Okay.
Give me a hit of it, Dave.
Jam. I got to peel. Settle down. Gotta go, folks. He's causing problems.